Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at now is level 3, Unit 391. Okay? And what we're going to look at is mathematical principles which are appropriate for electrical installation, maintenance, and design work. Now, ignore the 2357, right? That number has since changed. Now, bear in mind that whether you're doing the 2365, 2357, 5357, the technical aspects is all the same, okay? Does not change, okay? It's just that the reference numbers are given to determine which course you're doing, but the work is still required because the whole aim is for you to be a qualified electrician. Now, also remember that being a qualified electrician carries certain responsibility because I believe that certain legislations for electrics and gas has been brought into play over the last 2 or 3 years, which makes it a prosecutable offense if you are found to have been at fault where you've done some work and you did not carry out or follow procedures as you should have done. Okay? Now, always relate to the IE regs or the on-site guide. These are your Bible that tells you what you need to know and how to deal with it. Okay? Okay? Now all I'm doing here is showing you the outcome. Be aware of the outcome, what you expected to know, and what you should be able to do. Now you need to write out the work. Do not just look at it on the screen and think, oh, you will remember it. You won't. Okay? By the time you get distracted by beautiful girls and so forth, believe me, it'll go right out of your head. I know, I was young once. A very long time ago, of course. But again, here we are. Now, all this shows is the basic operation for mathematical functions. Okay? Now, these are common symbols that you will come across, okay? Now again, here, I don't need to be doing a lot of talking because a lot of this is self-explanatory. And if you sit down and write out these questions and make sure you understand the concept behind it, you'll find that when you come to do the online test, you'll have very little problems. Get to know what you're meant to be doing. Pen and paper, old-fashioned, okay? But it works. Okay, okay. I'm just trying to consider how long my battery will last for. So now, prefixes and symbols, again, be aware of these, know what they're talking about, look it up yourself as well. Okay, do additional research. You will only learn 30% of what you learn will be in the classroom. The other 70% you need to do at home. You don't have a choice. Now remember that being an electrician takes you into different directions. You can end up in maintenance. You may even go into management. You may open doors that you did not even consider before. So be aware of that. This takes you many places. And here we have standard form, okay? Now I'm taking the time through this so that you can get the information and it is there for you to look at and to write out, okay? This will be telling you whether you're going to the left or whether you're going to the right, how the value of a given number will change. Okay. And here you have some practice. So convert these before you look at the answers. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, I was just talking to somebody else here for a minute. Sorry. Okay, engineering form. Okay, again, we're aware of that. Now I know most of these are correct myself because I've worked with them myself to make sure that the information given is correct, okay? But please feel free to check them yourselves again. Always check. Do not take anything for granted while you're dealing with electricity. It is one of your most silent killers, okay? It does not speak. It gives no warning. So treat it with utmost respect at all times. Okay? Alright, thank you. Have a good day.